Welcome to lectures on digital electronics. Now we want to consider some problems upon simplifying the Boolean expressions using two methods, using corner map method and using applying Boolean laws. So let us use these two methods to simplify Boolean expressions. Let us consider one expression. Let us consider y equals to a bar, b bar, c bar plus a, b bar, c bar plus a, b bar, c, a, b bar, c plus a, b, c bar, a, b, c bar plus a, b, c. So this is the expression. Our objective is to simplify this expression using two methods. One is applying Boolean laws. Second one is using corner map method. After simplification using two methods, let us implement this simplified version with gates only, basic gates only. Okay, so let us apply Boolean laws. In this case, what you have to do is let us apply method 1. Method 1 is applying Boolean laws. Let us consider these two terms, this term and this term. Out of these two terms, what are the common elements? The common elements are b bar, c bar. Let us take common b bar, c bar, then a bar plus a. Okay, now if you observe, these two terms, that is last two terms, let us observe last two terms. So this term and this term. If you observe these two terms, this term and this term, if you observe these two terms, this term is ABC bar, this is ABC. So out of these, you can take AB common. So this term is not disturbed. This term is not disturbed. So I will write as it is: A, B bar, C plus I will take AB as common in last two terms. So in that C bar plus C. Now let us see, we know that in the brackets a bar plus a is there, that becomes 1 by Boolean law. By applying Boolean law, it becomes 1. B bar C bar. Next, you have A B bar C, A B bar C plus this also C bar plus C becomes AB. So this is the second step. Next, let us further simplify it by observing B bar C bar plus A B bar C plus AB. Out of these, you can take common B bar. You can take common B bar like this. B bar is taken common. So C bar plus S plus A. So these are the terms. Now next you will get like this. These are the terms. Now this B bar, this you can write like this. This term you can write like this. C bar plus C, C bar plus A. By Boolean laws, this like this you can write A B. So this C bar plus C becomes 1. So finally you will have the terms like this. Now in the brackets C bar plus A plus AB. Now you open the brackets, write B bar C bar plus B bar A plus AB. Now in the next step, what you have to do is, out of these two terms you have to take common A. Now let us write, after taking common, what do you get? B bar C bar plus A common B bar plus B. So in this, finally this becomes a B bar plus B becomes 1. So B bar C bar plus A. So this is the final expression. This is the final expression. Now, so by using K-map, the same problem, let us simplify. We got the, this is the y equals to, this is the final expression we got by applying Boolean laws. Now let us apply K-map for simplification of this. So now let us take the problem. Let us take the problem once again. Y equals to A bar, B bar, C bar plus A, B bar, C bar plus A, B bar C, B bar C plus A, B, C bar plus A, B, C. This is the given expression. This expression you can write like this: sigma m. So A bar, B bar, C bar. What is this? 0, 0, 0. That means in decimal it is 0, comma. Here A, B bar, C bar. A, B bar, C bar. In the decimal it is 100, means 4. Next, the next term is A, B bar, C. A, B bar, C. That means 101. 101 means it is 5. Next, A, B, C bar. This is 110. That means it is 6. Next, 111. A, B, C means 111. That is it is 7. So this is the expression. You can write the expression like this. This expression will be suitable for filling the ones in K-map. So this is a 3 variable K-map because A, B, C 3 variables are there. We have to draw 3 variable K-map, and by that we can. Okay, let me write 3 variable K-map. Like this, you have to draw. A has two combinations, 0, 1. BC have the combinations, you have to write like this: 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Like this. You have to carefully write. You have to practice this. This is the cell number 0, cell number 1. This is cell number 2, because you have to skip third column or third row. 0, 1, 2. This is 3. This is fourth one. 5, 6, 7. This is the cell numbering. After cell numbering, what you have to do is you have to fill minterm values into the corresponding cells. What are the corresponding cells? 0, 4, 5, 6, 7 according to the given expression. So you have to fill like this: 0, you have to fill 1. In the fourth cell also you have to fill 1. Fifth cell you have to fill 1. Sixth, next 6th, this is the 6th. 7th, next 7th. So that means total minterms are 5. Now the grouping of the cells, that is forming implicants, each group is called implicant. Forming the implicants, what you have to do is you have to try to make a big size group, big size implicant. So here a group of 4 ones is possible like this. So this one group is quad is possible. Next pair is possible. This is the pair. So quad is possible, pair is possible. Now let us write simplified Boolean expression in a one step. It is possible to write within a step. Now y equals to y equals to, let me write first for quad. Always you have to write for quad. If there is a octet, you have to write first for octet. That is the procedure you have to follow. Let me write for quad. The quad is occupying only single row, and the same quad is occupying 4 columns in the K map. Hence, because it is occupying only one row, you have to write for row. I told you already, you have to write for row. So what is the row value here? A equals to 1. Hence, you have to write A in the brackets. A, and the columns also you have to write in another bracket, dot, in another bracket columns. So in the column size, if you go from left to right, the variable b is changing from 0 to 1. The variable b is, this variable is changing from here 0, 0. Now it became 1 here. That means when you pass from left to right, the variable is changing from 0 to 1. Then you have to eliminate that variable if it changes like that. Whether it changes from 0 to 1 or 1 to 0, whatever it may be, then that variable must be eliminated. So B is eliminated. Next, C is also. Let us test C. C variable, it is 0 here. Now it became 1 here. Hence, it is also changing. So both the variables are changing. Hence, you have to write 1. That's all. So writing row side and writing column side for a implicant, for a group is done. Now let us write for another group. Let us take for another group. Plus, you have to write plus. Write for another group. So the next group is the pair. For the pair, what you have to do is, you have to similarly you have to write, follow the similar way. Rows are, the group is occupying 2 rows and single column. The group is occupying 2 rows. So let us move in the row side from top to bottom and observe whether that variable is changing or not. Variable A is changing from 0 to 1 like this when we move from top to bottom. Hence, that variable is eliminated. Whenever that only single variable is there, that is eliminated. Hence, you have to write 1 in the brackets. Next, column side you have to write. Column side, only single column is there. Hence, what you have to do? you have to write no variable is changing. Two variables are assuming their respective values. That's all. They are not changing. So you have to write b bar because b is 0, c is 0. Hence b bar and c bar. So you got a single step solution like this. Y equals to a plus b bar c bar. B bar C bar. So this is the graphical method K-map, which will give us a simple one-step solution for the Boolean expression. So after you observe both the expressions, we got this answer in the first method also the same. In both methods we got the same result. Now let us implement this expression using gates. Okay, now let us implement this expression. First, what you have to take is b bar. To get the b bar, not gate you have to take. Not gate b, next c bar, you will get here c bar, here b bar, and apply this to AND gate. And input A you take. Now the final expression you will get like this after connecting A, B, C inputs. So this is the implementation of the given Boolean expression using gates. Now let us take another example, 4 variable example. Consider the Boolean expression like this: y equals to sigma m 0 1 2 4 5 6 10 and 14. So this is a Boolean expression. Let us simplify this expression. Let us draw the K-map for this 4 variable expression. A, B, C, D. Let us write combinations 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. In column also 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Let us fill min-term values once in the respective cells. Cell numbering is, this is 0, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and third row you skip 8, 9, 10, 11. Next 12 here, 13, 14, 15. So these are the cell numbering. After cell numbering, you have to fill the respective ones. 0 1 2, 0 1 2. Okay, filled. 4 5 6, 4 5 6, 10 11, 10 14, sorry, 10 14. Where is the 10th cell? Here, 10 14. Like this you have to fill. After filling, you have to try to make octet, quad, pair, like that. Here octet is not possible, hence you go for quad, because quad is possible. So let us make one quad like this. This is one group, and next quad is this. This is another quad. There are two quads possible. Okay, now let us write a simplified solution like this, because K-map gives us a single step solution for the given Boolean expression. So let me write y equals to, let us consider this group. Let us consider this group, first group. First, what you have to do is you have to write for row side. In the row side, A is not changing because this group is occupying two rows. These two rows, it is occupying. So A is not changing, but B is changing. The changing variable will be eliminated, and the unchanged variable A is taken. A bar. Okay, this is over. Next, let us consider for column side. For the column side, C is not changing, but D is changing from 0 to 1. So C bar plus the next group. Let us consider this group. This group occupying 4 rows and single column. Hence, from top to bottom, you have to come down in the row side. If you observe, A is changing from 0 to 1, B is also changing from 0 to 1. So both the variables are eliminated. Hence, you have to take row side 1. And column side, if you take only single column, it is occupying. So there is no variable changing. So you have to write like this: C D bar. So what is the final expression? The final expression is A bar C bar plus C D bar. So that is the final expression. That means Whenever we use K-map for the simplification of Boolean expressions, it is giving a single step solution for the given problem. Let us go for don't care states. Don't care state or whether the output is 0 or 1, the don't care condition is taken as 0 or 1 in whatever the convenient way. You can take it as sometimes as 1, you can treat it as sometimes 0. So these don't care conditions are marked as X. Example, simplify using K-map. So observe here, three variable system is there, A, B, C, and the output is P. In this for 000 it is 0, for 001 the output is don't care. Here don't care, that means the output may be taken as 0 or 1, whatever it may be. It can be 0 or 1, don't care. That is the meaning of the don't care. Next, here also for 00, for 011 also it is the output is don't care. If this is so, then how to do such problems and make use of don't care conditions in simplifying the Boolean expressions? For example, we have filled these in the respective cells of the K-map. After that, actually, if you do not consider don't care, then only two pairs are possible. Only two pairs are possible. But if you consider don't care, a quad is possible. That means always cover the don't care also if it is possible and helpful to make big size group. That is the objective. So don't care is taken into consideration and to form quad in this case. So we get the simplified version of this expression, that is P equals to B. Let us consider another example here. So this is the K map here for 0 and for 0 x1 x2 x3 x4 there are four variables available to us, and the don't care conditions also filled in the respective cells. After this, what you have to do is you have to make quad, octet, octet, quad. That is a priority. Octet, quad, pair. If pair is also not possible, then you go for single one group. Now here if you observe, by taking the don't care conditions, you can form this group, one quad. And after that, you can also form another quad by taking four corners like this. Four corners you have to take. This is the second quad. First quad and second quad. There are two quads possible. How it is possible? By considering don't care conditions, it is possible. So let us write a simplified version of this expression. So this is one quad, and this is four corners is another quad, four corners is another quad. By this, what you have to do is, let us write the expression for the p equals to let us consider this quad. Let us consider this quad first. This quad is covering four rows and single column. So whenever you move from top to bottom in the row side, all the variables x1 and x2 both are changing from 0 to 1, hence both are eliminated. So take it as 1. And column side, x3 x4, two elements are not changing, so hence it is x3 x4 bar, x3 x4 bar. Next, in the second quad, what you have to do is take the four corners of the quad, and if you observe, this quad is occupying row side two rows and column side two columns it is occupying. So write like this: plus in the brackets, let us write 0, let us write row side 0 0 1 0. 0 0 1 0 means x1 is changing, x2 is not changing, hence x2 bar, x2 bar. Column side, let us take column side, it is from 0 0 to 1 0. That means x3 is changing, x4 is not changing, so x4, x4 bar. So this is the simplified version of this Boolean expression. We have discussed a few problems and simplified Boolean expressions using both the methods, by using Boolean laws and by using K-map method. After simplification, we have implemented the expression using gates. Let us see few examples, conceptual questions upon these topics. The minterm designation for ABCD is which one? M15. M15. The expression y equals to pi capital M 135 is in, because pi M means POS form, product of sums form. The expression y equals to AB plus CD plus EF is in the which form? SOP, POS, hybrid, none. It is SOP form. The maxterm designation for A plus B plus C is capital M0, M1, M3, M4. Which one? It is M0. A two variable K map has how many cells? 4 cells. 2 power 2, 4. In a K map for an expression having don't care terms and don't cares can be treated as 0 or 1. You can treat them don't care as 0 as per your convenient or 1, whatever it may be. So take the question like this. Simplify x equals to a bar b bar c bar plus a bar b bar c plus a bar b c plus a b bar c plus a b c. Which one? Already we have done this problem. So this is the answer. Take the question, simplify the expression y equals to this. Which gate can be used for the simplified to implement the simplified expression? XOR gate. Simplify the following expression y equals to sigma m 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. What do you get? After simplification, you will get AB plus C. Write the Boolean expressions SOP and POS forms, canonical standard forms for the given truth table. Can you write? Okay. Let us write a SOP for this. SOPs are written for output ones. So what is the first term? A bar, B bar, C. A bar, B bar, C plus A bar, B, C bar plus A, B bar, C plus last one A, B, C. So this is the SOP form. This is the standard canonical form of SOP, sum of products. So let us write a POS form for this. POS form. How to write for POS form? You have to take the expression, the outputs for zeros. This is the POS. POS means max terms or zeros. So let us write the expression f equals to a plus b plus c. This is one sum. Next, another sum. A plus b bar plus c bar. Another sum. Third sum. A bar plus b plus c. Next, last sum. A bar, last sum. I am writing here. A bar plus B bar plus C. So how many max terms are there? 4 max terms are available for this Boolean expression. So this is a method of writing POS expression F equals to POS, sums product of sums expression. So this is the way of writing canonical standard forms of expressions of SOP and POS if a truth table is given. With this, we have discussed in this class, we have taken some examples of Boolean expressions and applied Boolean laws to simplify them, and also we have applied K-map to simplify the same problems and implemented those simplified versions with the help of gates. Thank you.